next morning, right after we did all the garden plants, and I really want to get started working on this. It's hot, and I want to have a body of water here that I can swim in, or at least fish in, or just have to look nice. So we're going to be working on draining these ponds today. Just a quick update on the plants. They're all looking real nice. The kale, I think, has actually grown a little bit already. All of these are taking root nicely, like a lot better than before, and I got them all watered up. Nice. Make sure the hose is off. Oh, the hose is not off. Alright, so the pond is pretty much mostly drained. It was quite a pain to do. I got the liner out and stuff. All the fish should be gone, but I think there are quite a few lobsters left in here, like massive crawdads. So we're gonna try and put those in the mini pond. I haven't drained that yet, but there are quite a few down here, and you can see it still goes deeper. I'll try to catch some of them and show you, but I think we're gonna have to maybe make a trap for them if it doesn't drain, because I want to start filling this in tomorrow or the next day or something. Alright, it's the next day, and yeah, we gotta clean up this patio today. It's quite a mess, and we need to get this liner cleaned up. I don't think this is what we're going to be using for our actual pond, but we will use that as the underlayment. So we're going to get them all cleaned up, or at least folded. That one's not too dirty. We got the underlayment all folded up there, and the pond liner's a bit wet still, so I'm gonna leave it out, but I'm gonna keep these inside. Water's still draining. We're gonna have to go down there and try and catch those guys with food or something later, but yeah, we just gotta get rid of this one, and then we can start clearing this out and working. We were only able to get 2 crawdads. I'm not sure where they are. They are very large though. Here they are. Down there, see them? Look at that. Look at that. And then another one right here. Look at how big those are. For the kind of crawdads they are, we raised them from kind of small. That is pretty good. But I think we're probably going to use them as bait for fishing, or we'll save them until the next pond. So I got some fun footage on that to show you real quick. This is a huge one. Okay. Go to Leo.
Leo. He's going to get pinched though. He's going to get pinched.
What is it? Huge. That's like crab. Ooh.
Oh no, that's a bad sign.
He's stuck. Wow, he's strong.
He eats everything.
No, he's not. He's playing. He's barking at it.
Uh-oh, it's gonna go
Eat
under.
it. I told you.
It's gonna go under.
No, he's not. He's not. He's not gonna do.
scared.
Hey, hey.
Yeah, I
No.
told you he's gonna eat. He eats everything.
No, he's not. He's not. He knows.
Come on,
No,
get
he
back up.
doesn't. He doesn't know anything.
It is food.
What?
I
Got
told
it.
you.
No.
Alright, well, both ponds are gone, and now there is nothing stopping us from clearing this entire area out, shaping it into something that we can work with. So yeah, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode where we actually start getting work done. We're gonna clear this whole area out, dig up that tree, and just everything.